sit in the lobby, show me something, keep it soft and tell nobody in your city, smoke exotics. Yeah, spin it slow, yeah, and you know what I want.
What is up, Rissa gang? It's your girl Rissa back with another video. Gonna show you guys how to fix this matted mess. I know if you ever had a wig that looked like this and didn't know what to do with it, how to get it untangled, well, your girl is here to show you how to get it done using only conditioner and shampoo. And as you can see, this wig is a matted mess for it to be a human hair wig. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to go in with these two products, and these are the only two products I ever use on my human hair wigs, and they work wonders. It's the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. Remember to get the blue bottle. Those are the best. And then we're going to use a denim brush. Okay, and here I'm just showing you guys how tangled it is, how I can't get my fingers through, and we're going to get this baby set up. Alright, and please don't mind my face, you guys. I'm kind of irritated because my Bell's palsy came back like the day before, so I'm a little irritated with that. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is wet our brush and kind of brush through the hair to get some of the tangling out, because you don't want to get it really wet while it's tangled, because then it'll be hard to brush out when it's wet with the tangle. So just go ahead and brush it out. Wet your brush with some warm water and go through the hair to kind of detangle it first, but not saturate it. Alright, and so next, I'm not sure what happened to my other clip here, but you're going to saturate the wig in your conditioner, not the shampoo. Just after you detangle it, just put a whole bunch of conditioner on it and brush it through the hair, and then let the hair sit in the sink for about 10 minutes with no water. Just let it kind of soak with the conditioner. Alright, and next you're going to go in with the Hello Hydration Shampoo, and we're going to add that to some lukewarm water, and yep. Alright, then you're going to sit the wig in the water with conditioner still in mix, and you're going to let that wig sit in that shampoo for about 30 minutes to soak. And this is going to ensure that your wig does get clean, and then it does get detangled a lot. Alright, and so here you're just going to take the wig out the water, drain it, strain it, whatever you do to get the water out of your wig, and you're going to pop it on to your mannequin head, wig head, or whatever you use to hold your wigs and detangle your wigs. So here I'm just going to be drying it, and then you're going to add some conditioner onto the wig. And as you can see, it's really almost detangled already. So after you add that conditioner, you just want to go through and brush, and get out all the tangles. It should be pretty easy at this point from the soaking. Bam, you see that? It took me about 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, about 3 minutes to get that detangled. Once you do that, you're going to just rinse the wig, just dip it into the water, let the water run down, and rinse through the wig. Once you've done that, then you're just going to add the wig back to your mannequin head and brush it out and make sure all the tangles are gone. And as you can see, there it is, nice and wet and detangled. How beautiful is that? And that was so easy. Like I said, this shampoo and conditioner works wonders. All right, and so this is the wig finished look. I just let it air dry, and then this is what it is. This is how it looks. Stiff wear, stiff wear. Okay, period, poo. Yes, I love it. Like I said, that shampoo and conditioner works wonders, and the hair is back nice and refreshed and everything. How about that? Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let your girl know what you want to see on this channel next. Bye.